Hello viewers, today I'm bringing you a brand new Roblox-style YouTube channel idea, and trust me, this one has massive potential if you follow it properly. Many creators are entering this niche and getting results very fast. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, head over to YouTube. Once you're there, go to the search bar and search for a channel named Nacho. Now, as you can see, this channel has over 6 million subscribers. It is fully monetized and it's generating around 19.7K per month, which is huge for this type of content. And viewers, I have another example for you, a channel called Silvio Gamer. If you click on their videos, you'll notice that their content is also extremely engaging, fast-paced, and high quality, which is exactly what works in shorts. Now, the important question, is this channel monetized? Yes, this channel is also 100% monetized. So, as you can see, both of these channels, Nacho and Silvio Gamer, are currently trending, and their niche is performing extremely well across YouTube. That's why today, I'm going to teach you step by step how to create this niche, how to make viral shorts, and how you can replicate this exact strategy, even if you're a beginner. Now that we've reviewed both channels, I hope you liked them and understood the potential. Let's move to the prompt section. As you can see, I've already generated all the prompts for you, scene by scene, scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, all the way up to scene 10. Everything is fully prepared in a structured format. You don't need to worry about anything because I've already done the hard work for you, including character consistency, storytelling, and scene transitions. All you need to do is go to the description of this video and copy all the prompts from there. I made these ready-made prompts so your time doesn't get wasted and you can focus only on execution. Take a look. Each prompt is unique, high quality, and perfectly designed for viral content. Now I'll quickly copy these prompts and paste them into a document file so everything stays organized. And as you can see, all my prompts are now fully organized and ready to use, which makes the whole process faster and easier. Next, we move to the image section. I'll copy the first prompt and move to the image generation section, where we'll start creating our visuals step by step. Alright viewers, now you need to open the Flow AI website. This is a platform powered by Google Apps, and as you already know, it is 100% free, which makes it perfect for beginners. I'll be generating images from here, but for video creation, I'll also introduce you to another powerful tool that I've personally tested before. Once you're on Flow AI, simply click on Create with Flow. After that, open a new project. Now from the options below, select Nano Banana 2. This model works really well for consistent characters and storytelling visuals. Once selected, paste your first scene prompt here and click on the Generate button. Now just wait for a few seconds. As you can see, my first scene has started generating, and I'll show you something very important. My character remains fully consistent across scenes, and the prompts I've used are extremely high quality and well structured. After a short wait, you can see that my first image is ready. And wow, just look at the character design. It looks so unique, colorful, and professional. Now what I'll do is copy my second scene prompt and then continue adding all the remaining scenes. Scene 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, all the way up to scene 10. I'm generating all scenes together because I don't want to waste your time, and this also speeds up the workflow. Now as you can see, I've added all the prompts up to scene 10, and the images have started generating. At this point, you just need to wait for about 1 to 2 minutes. And now, here's the final result. Oh my God, viewers, all the images are now ready. You can check them one by one, second image, third image. Each one looks absolutely amazing and visually engaging. Let me show you a few more examples. You can clearly see how beautifully these images have been generated, forming a complete and engaging story flow. Honestly, all the images created here are of very high quality, and they look like professional animation frames. Now what I'll do next is download these images one by one in 2K quality so I can convert them into a video. I'll select my favorite scenes and download them. And yes, every time I generate images using Flow AI, the results are always impressive and consistent. So viewers, now that we've completed the image part, let's move on to the next step, video creation. Alright viewers, now for the video creation part, you need to open the Digen AI website. As I mentioned earlier, this platform is also completely free, or you can say it provides you with 150 daily credits in your account, which is more than enough for daily content creation. These credits are more than enough to create high-quality videos every single day. This website is powerful in every aspect, whether it's video generation, audio, motion, or advanced AI tools. Now, without wasting any time, click on Describe Your Video. Here, you simply need to upload your image. As you can see, I've already generated multiple images earlier. Now I'll select one of them. After selecting the image, I'll copy my video prompt, paste it here, adjust the resolution and settings, and then click on the Generate button. Once I click Generate, you can see that my video has started processing. Now make sure you select the ARM 3.1 Turbo model, which is 100% free and gives really good results. You'll usually see it as the first option, and it will be labeled as free, so don't miss that. Now it will take around 4 minutes to generate the video, so just wait a little. And after a short wait, oh my god, viewers, my first video is ready! And just look at the result.
No experience, but a strong will to survive.
It's unique, smooth, trending, and professionally generated. Now let's move to the second image. I'll upload my second image, paste a strong prompt, and click on Generate again. This time, it may take around 5 minutes, but that's totally fine because quality takes time. And here we go. My second video is also ready.
Step by step. Learning the rules of the world.
And once again, it looks outstanding and high quality. Now I'll upload the third image, apply the prompt, generate it, wait a bit, and as you can see, my third video is also completed. At the same time, I'm downloading all videos one by one, so we don't waste any time later. Now for the final step, I'll upload my fourth image, which will be my final scene. I'll refine the prompt slightly to make it more cinematic, click on Generate, wait a bit. And now you can see, my final video is ready, even with voiceover included. So viewers, all 4 videos have been generated 100% free, using only around 20 credits per video. And remember, this platform gives you 150 free credits daily, just by logging in, which means you can create multiple videos every day. As you can see, I even have around 500 credits, and I didn't get them through any paid collaboration. Everything was created using the free method. So yes, this is a very simple, powerful, and beginner-friendly way to generate AI videos. Alright viewers, now that our videos are ready, let's move on to the final step, editing. Alright viewers, for the editing part, you need to open CapCut. Once CapCut is open, simply import all your generated videos and drag them onto the timeline. After that, I'll adjust each clip one by one to make sure everything is perfectly aligned, smooth, and engaging for viewers. Now, as you can see, there is a Digen AI logo on the video. To remove this watermark, I'll use the scale option and slightly zoom into the video, making sure the important parts stay visible. And just like that, you can see the final look is now clean and professional. Oh my god, this niche is absolutely amazing and full of potential. Alright viewers, we're done here. Now I'll export the video in high quality and you can see the final result on your screen.
Step by step. Learning the rules of the world. No experience, but a strong will to survive.
I hope you really liked today's niche. My goal is always to bring you new and trending ideas every day because people love fresh, unique, and engaging content. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel and stay connected for more powerful ideas. I'll see you in the next video with another exciting idea. Until then, goodbye.